for Hims Complete Hair Loss Kit, promising medical grade hair loss solution without breaking the bank. But can it do anything to fix my 5 head? What is up, guys? Today I'm reviewing Hims, more specifically their total hair loss treatment kit. For Hims is a monthly subscription service that they are hailing as telemedicine. Telemedicine allows it to be possible for you to meet with a real-life licensed doctor in your state on the phone or on the internet. Hims offers a whole variety of products from skincare, anti-aging,
a few moments later,
and boner pills. Yes, boner pills. Through a consultation with one of Hims' online registered doctors, you can get a prescription to have sildenafil boner pills sent directly to your house every month. But we're not here for boner pills. We're here to talk about the complete hair care kit. Secret, my hairline is pretty well fact out. I mean, from a combination of like the worst possible genetics for hair loss, or just from being kicked in the nuts by life, things were looking pretty helpless. So thanks to Google, I stumbled upon Hims. But we're not here for boner pills. We're here to talk about the complete hair care kit. We're going to get into that, what's in it, what was the process to get prescribed and to get it shipped. We're going to unbox this bad boy and go through each of the chemicals. The complete hair loss treatment kit. Let's bust this fucker open. Jump cut. Here we are, all opened. Got a nice little message in there from future you. Thanks, you. Future me, you're welcome. 4 chemicals, some instructions, all that good stuff, and this nice message. First up, we have the DHT Blocking Shampoo. This DHT Blocking Shampoo is supposed to block the DHT, which is a hormone that is produced from the conversion of testosterone in the body that just wreaks havoc on your hairline. This shampoo is supposed to block it at the receptors. Directions read to apply to scalp in the affected areas, which will be my whole shit every single day during your shower. Easy enough. Next up, the Gummy Vitamin. These gummies have biotin and a whole shitload of other vitamins that are supposed to promote healthy hair and nails. And they're gummies. That's fun. Reminds me of those edible Flintstones vitamins I used to take when I was a little guy last week. Third, we have the minoxidil. Yeah, we have that. And what that does is it's a 1 milliliter dropper you use once a day onto the affected parts of your scalp, and it causes old, unhealthy hairs to be shed and to promote new, healthy baby hairs from growing in their place. And then last, but certainly not least, we have finasteride. This is the reason why we need a prescription for this all. Finasteride is a compound that blocks DHT at its source and combats a lot of the things associated with male pattern baldness. One crazy side effect that they'll actually warn you about before you confirm your order is supposedly finasteride in some people can cause erectile dysfunction and loss of sex drive. So right now, shoot on over to hims.com and you can order your complete hair kit, very first month, $5. After that, there's no commitment to continue, but if you do, like I am, it's going to cost you about $44 a month. But before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share, show it to your grandmother, make sure your grandmother subscribes, show it to your grandfather, make sure...
Subscribe, motherfucker.
I love this. Tilt through the pelvis all the way up and then under.